Hey, Dobby the Fixing Elf here. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the side light, full beam and indicator bulbs on your Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. 1. So we're going to start with the side light bulb. To remove the bulb holder you simply twist it anti-clockwise and then it pops out, as you can see here in the video. Then to remove the bulb you just push down and twist anti-clockwise too and it will pop out as well. And then it's just a matter of replacing it with a new bulb, which you then twist clockwise, and then to pop the bulb holder back into the car is just another clockwise twist, and as you can see it pops in very easily. Now let's move on to the indicator bulb. This is quite tricky to film. I had to use the endoscope here to film this, but all you have to do is simply pull it out and it just pops out. Once you have the bulb out, most of the side light bulb is just to twist anti-clockwise to pop it out. Then to replace the bulb, it can be a bit tricky, but you just have to line up the pins and then push it in and twist it clockwise. It can take a little while. Like you see me here, I struggled a bit to get it back and lined up. As I struggle, I should tell you the location of the indicator bulb. It's just down in the same area as the full beam bulb is. But once you get it lined up, it twists in nice and easily. What you have to do is pop the hot bulb back into the headlight unit by just giving it a gentle push. You should hear it click into place. Now onto the final bulb. This is the full beam bulb, and it's hidden behind this rubber cover. Just pop it off, and now it's time to start removing the bulb. The first step is to remove the connector. This simply just pulls off. Be careful as it can be quite fragile. And the next step is to remove the two metal spring pins holding it on. These simply pull to one side and pop off. As you can see here, they come off relatively easy. Just be careful as they are quite fragile. Then you can remove the old bulb. To replace the bulb, you simply push the new bulb into the holder. Replace the springs, they should pop back in nice and easily. And then all you have to do is replace the connector. So given the difficulty of space and filming, I used my action camera and my endoscope to record most of the footage you see here. What do you think of the quality of it? What do you think of the angles I got? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching until the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not drop a like on this video? If you have any questions about this video, or any of my other videos, why not ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. If you want to see more from me, why not subscribe to the channel? And with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a sensational day.